Dadgum, people! Well, this escalated quickly.
Hey! Put the knife down!
Tattoos in this video. Anyway, how do we get here? These cops are going to earn a donut. I know they could have done it different, but I'm okay with what they did. Let's start. So, they get a call of a guy with a machete, domestic violence. When you get domestic violence, you got a woman outside. She says she's assaulted. There's also a child here. Let's watch it.
You okay? What's going on?
He just woke up crazy.
Okay.
He woke up crazy. She's kind of making excuses.
He woke up crazy.
Okay.
He was fine when he was laying down. He's sick now. He just shut himself.
I think she said he tried to cut himself, but I couldn't really hear.
He threw a rock through the window.
Through the window of what?
The back of the house.
Threw something through the window, and he pulled her hair.
Almost ripped my hair out.
Almost ripped my hair out. So as soon as you hear that, that's physical violence. This is felony domestic violence. It's a felony. She's outside. He's got a knife. The other way they could have handled this was get the child and the woman away and secure the house. That would take more time and more manpower. And then order him to come out with his hands up. They could do that from the car at a distance. Nobody's in immediate danger. Then he would have to walk out, walk down the stairs, walk down these stairs, and actually approach the officer before they shoot him. They walked up all this and made it easy, so as soon as he walked out of the door, he was within enough distance. Normally 21 feet is the golden rule that people like to quote all the time. But anyway, they shot him because he's got a knife and he was a danger to others. It's going to be justified, and he died. So he's dead.
In the bathroom, I got as much stuff. Almost ripped my hair out. He was in the bathroom. I got as much stuff as I could.
Is there anybody else in the house?
No.
Do you have a knife?
Yeah.
So with no one else in the house, there's really no emergency to go in there. The only guy that he's a danger to is himself. And normally, I say normally because it used to be never, you would never kill a guy who was only a danger to himself. You don't kill a guy to save him from hurting himself. Most people think that's pretty ridiculous. Nowadays, not so much. Cops get to kill everybody.
He tore our porch apart. I don't have anywhere to go.
But to kill the kid's father in front of him, that's kind of tough.
Okay. Are you injured? No? Okay.
Doesn't matter if she's injured. She said he pulled her hair and grabbed her. That's violence. He assaulted her. Battery.
Where's he at?
I don't know.
You want lethal or non? What's that? You want lethal or non? Don't matter to me. What do you want? I'll take it on. Hey!
So this cop says, I'll take him on. I think he said, do you want the person or the dog? I really couldn't hear. This guy's got the taser, non-lethal. This guy's got the gun. Unfortunately, right now there's a barrier, so the shooting would be unjustified if he shot him now. Once he got here, this guy probably didn't need to shoot. The sergeant tased him and he was going down. But they're going to argue when they're paying out the settlement that he's going down because he shot him with a bullet and that stopped him and he saved this officer's life. Everybody's got tattoos. I don't know about this guy. Jesus Christ. Notice the woman immediately is like, I didn't want this. Now I got nowhere to go. I love him. Baby, if I wouldn't beat you, I wouldn't love you. I've heard it 1,000 times.
46, 17 times. That's fired.
No!
Guy seems coherent here. Doesn't know he's dead. Dies later at the hospital. Could have died before. But anyway, the cops did okay. They were going to go in. Should they have put themselves in this fatal funnel to where the only option is the guy stays in the house, or if he opens the door, we get to kill him? If he didn't open the door, my guess is they were going to kick the door and go in and get him. They've got a felony. They can go in, or he's armed. They can go in and arrest him. But a lot of legal issues here. There's nobody in the house. Why did they force it? Why didn't they take more time? Why did they try to negotiate before they put themselves in a position? All that will depend on how much the taxpayers pay, not the cops. Remember, cops are exempt from all laws. They do what they want and kill people and never pay anything. All right, we'll end that there. Hell, you can make your own decision, I guess.